Welcome to Step 7, Review. This is exactly how buyers will see your AI short. Make sure everything looks professional and clear before submitting. Let's get started. Public Listing Preview. Review your AI short before submitting. This is exactly how buyers will see your AI short. Make sure everything looks professional and clear. Next, you'll see the Technical Configuration section. This shows the behind-the-scenes setup. Buyers don't see this. Review your integration type, HTTP method, processing mode, webhook endpoint URL, authentication headers, and callback configuration. Verify everything matches what you configured in Step 5. If anything looks wrong, go back and fix it before submitting. Next, you'll see the Notes for Admin Review. Help our review team understand and test your AI short. What to include, special setup requirements, how to test it properly, expected processing time, what results should look like, any dependencies or prerequisites. The more helpful information you provide, the faster the review process. At the bottom, you have two options. First is Save as Draft. Click this if you want to come back later, make final improvements, or test more. The second option is Submit for Review. Click this when you're confident everything is correct. Before submitting, do a final check. All required fields are filled, public preview looks good, technical config is correct, and admin notes are complete. Once you submit, you can't edit until after review. Our team will review and test your AI short, and you'll receive an email when it's approved, or if changes are needed.